How you like that?
Hi! So today, we're gonna be recreating Blackpink Jennie's look dun sa newest video nila na How You Like That. By the time that this video goes up, nag-premiere na yung How You Like That video ng Blackpink. So kamusta? Did you like it? Actually, I've never watched any K-pop video. I'm thinking of making a reaction video to the premiere on Friday. And yun, let me know if gusto nyong makita yun from me. But I am a fan of their aesthetics, more on the aesthetics ng mga K-pop. So yung makeup, how they dress, dun ako fan. So I do follow some K-pop artists, pero I haven't really listened to any of their songs or naririnig ko, pero I'm not really familiar with them. This is the look that I recreated. Isa to dun sa mga teaser na videos ng Blackpink. And this is Jennie's look. This look is very easy actually. Yung challenge talaga is hindi magmukhang patay. Kasi syempre red, gano'n. And si Jennie, sobrang ganda niya nung suot niya. So I hope I did well. Yan. Let's proceed to the video.
Let's prime our face with the Too Faced Hangover Primer. Then we're going to even out our skin tone with the Pixi H2O Skin Tint. Now let's conceal our under eye circles as well as blemishes with a concealer. For this one, I'm using the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. And then we just blend it and bring it to the eyes to prime. And then we set the concealer with powder. Using the brown shadow in the Vice Cosmetics BT21 palette, we're gonna blend it all over the lids. Hindi kailangan na precise. Mixing the red and pink shades of the James Charles palette, we're gonna put it under the eyes, focusing on the lower lash line and then blending it downwards. So aabot to medyo na parang blush. Blend lang ng blend. O diba, mukha na akong patay. Using a liquid liner, gagawa tayo ng super liit na wing. Let's pray, mahirap mag-wing ng maliit. Yan, cute lang yung wing. So I'm gonna do the other eye also. Wait lang. Now we're gonna curl our lashes and put on mascara. Then, maglalagay tayo ng black eyeliner both on the upper and lower lash line. Taking the shimmery shade from the Vice Cosmetics palette, ilalagay natin siya sa inner part ng lower lash line and also sa inner corners. Now, brows. So, we're using the Happy Skin Perfect Brows Liquid Pen and the Sunnies Face Life Brow Gel in Warm. Actually, parang walang highlighter si Jennie dun sa video, but I can't help myself. I want to put highlighter. And then with the BLK Creamy All Over paint, we're gonna put it on our hands and tap, tap, tap on our lips. And then with the Wet n Wild gloss, mag-gloss tayo. And we're gonna set the whole face with the Ellana Stay Fresh Setting Spray. Yan, kailangan ko na magpakulay ng buhok. But let me fix my hair first and then I'll be right back.
How you like that?
Yon, so this is my take on Jennie's look dun sa teaser video nila for How You Like That, which will be premiering on Friday. Hope you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe and follow all my social media channels. There, let me know also if you have video requests. See ya!